Good morning. It's about 4:30 in the morning. We're gonna head out to Rio Vista and do some more striper fishing. Looks like it might be a little windy today. We're gonna give it our best shot. Good luck.
Today, trying to fish, attempting to fish, and popping over here trying to captain the boat through all the garbage. But we're trying to make it out into a little bit calmer water. It's a little rough out here. We launched at the Rio Vista State Park, is it? I don't know. We launched at Rio Vista. And it's about 7:30. Yep, it's 7:30. We'll see how today goes, if we can catch any fish. All right, we'll see you when the poles go out.
Slow and easy.
Yep, he wants to run a little bit. Feel him out. Oh, yeah. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Pull, walk to that. There you go. There we go. That's a keeper. All right. Look at that. Look at that.
Fish tacos tonight.
Fish tacos.
Fish tacos.
Alright.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Walk to that. There you go.
That's a keeper right there.
First striper of the day, 19 incher. Let's get a few more. Watch out for the stumps in the water.
Turn around and go towards one.
Oh, you got a fish? Oh, you got a fish. How'd you do that? I don't know. Wow, that's impressive.
I was like, look at one.
All right. Jordan fish number 2. All right. That one looks a little heavier. Oh, that's a good one. Don't want some. Oh yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah.
Woo, that's a big one. That's a
I'm telling you, it's got garlic.
Woo, man. Check that sucker
Get it
out.
out.
Don't get it stuck in your finger. The last guy went right on through.
So I go 22-inch striper.
22-inch striper.
Yeah, buddy.
Tacos?
Fish
Tacos. All right.
Put them in the bucket.
Okay, we're all finishing up for today. Figured I'd fill you guys in on what baits we were using and where we fished. Started off this morning on the Sacramento with whitecaps coming over, so we ran over to the San Joaquin to give it a try. We ended up with 2 keepers, one on a silver and black Rapala with a 6-inch white zoom worm. We caught the 22-inch on a Pline brokeback with a 6-inch zoom white worm as well. Both of them deep divers, running 12 to 14 feet deep. We had each rod running about 65 feet back, running anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 miles an hour.
Water is 64 degrees and it's a really nice day.
All in all, a good day. We're heading in. Catch you on the next one.